In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink into a Microsoft Word document. Adding hyperlinks can be a powerful way to connect different pieces of your work or reference additional resources, making your document more interactive and informative. Let's dive right into the process, which is simple and quick to follow, and I'll walk you through each step. First, you need to open the Microsoft Word file where you want to add your hyperlink. Make sure to have your document ready and accessible so that you can follow along. If you're starting a new project, you can open a blank document. If you already have an existing file, go ahead and open that. This will be your canvas where we'll do the hyperlink magic. Once you have your document open, you'll need to select the specific text where you'd like to place the hyperlink. Now, this text could be a word, a sentence, or even a phrase. Choosing meaningful text here is important as it should give a hint of what the hyperlink is about. Highlight the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. This selection will be the clickable link, so choose carefully to ensure clarity for your readers. After selecting your text, you'll need to navigate to the Insert tab, which you'll find at the top of your Word window. This tab contains various tools and options for adding additional elements to your document. What you're looking for is the Links group, where we can begin setting up your hyperlink. In the Links group, you'll see an icon labeled Link. Clicking this icon will open a new window where you can customize your hyperlink settings. This window is where the magic happens, as it allows you to insert different kinds of links. You can choose to link to a web page by typing or pasting the URL directly. Alternatively, you can link to an email address if you want your readers to contact you directly from the document. There are also options to create a new document or link within different sections of the current document. Take a moment to explore these options and choose the one that best suits your needs. And there you have it. Once you've selected your link type and entered the necessary information, simply click OK to apply the changes. Your text is now a hyperlink, making it interactive and engaging for anyone who reads your document. Clicking on the hyperlink will now take the reader directly to the linked destination, whether it's a website, an email, or another part of your document. You've now enhanced your Microsoft Word document by making it more dynamic and connected. With this newfound knowledge, you can start embedding links into any of your projects effortlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit any part of the video if you need another look at the steps. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hyperlinking.